All right, we're here with senior-to-be defensive end Will Edwards, fresh off of a lacrosse state championship, but he's right back at it with Tiger football. Day 7 of spring practice is over. Will, it's early on, but do you feel like you know who you are as a defensive end at this point? Are you ready to face varsity competition? What are some of your strengths that you feel like you've got down, and is there anything that you need to work on this spring?
Oh yeah, definitely. I mean, I played DN freshman, sophomore year, linebacker last year, so I'm back at DN right now. You know, I characterize myself as mainly like a outside pass rushing DN, but it's going to be different this year because I'm going to have to play in the trenches a little more with our new technique. So it's definitely going to be an adjustment, but I think I can handle it.
All right, and you guys will be replacing a group that in the entire starting defensive line from last year graduates. Clay Schaefer, Skylar Robinson, Lenny Broyles, those guys aren't there anymore. Do you feel like your group of guys has the talent and ability to replace what is leaving?
Yeah, I definitely think we do. I mean, those were a bunch of big guys last year. But the thing we have this year, we have a lot more speed, and I think that will help a lot, like getting around the outside and getting into the middle. And that's something that our D-line was kind of lacking this year that we have now.
Okay, awesome. And talking about the defense as a whole, what are your expectations for their performance as a whole? Should it be the strong point or a real strength of the team? What are you expecting from your defense?
I'm expecting a really good starting unit. We got a lot of good playmakers. We got a lot of fast guys. We're just a really good overall defense. I mean, not too many star players, but everyone is very good, and we're going to have a very exceptional, talented starting group.
All right, and the cliche is defense wins championships. In your mind, do you guys have a state championship caliber defense?
I think we do have a state championship caliber defense. I mean, when you look at all the positions, we don't really have a lot of weaknesses, and everyone's just a good player. So I think by the end of the year, we can all come together and get that state championship.
All right, thanks, Will.